How to link PayPal with Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to link your PayPal account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap on to You button at the bottom. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find payment option. Just right here, tap on it. Now tap on to add payment method. Just right here, select it. Now to link PayPal, simply tap on it. Just right here, just like this. And tap on to continue. Now simply add the code that you got on your number. And after doing that, simply tap on to next, and you will see the phase where you can simply add your PayPal account and link. And that's it. This is how you can link PayPal with the Lyft. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.